There it is, boys and girls. What you see here, you can see the separation. The stuff on the bottom is the inactive ingredients I was talking about. And the stuff on top, it's almost clear. That's how your bleach appears if it were just plain Clorox in that bottle. That's what I was talking about earlier. And like I said, to me that inactive ingredient doesn't matter. I just give it a shake up. And it's back to milk in the bottle. I really don't care about the inactive ingredients. They will settle out in the bottom of the bucket, and when I dip the water out with a measuring cup, they'll just stay on the bottom of the bucket. No big deal. There you go. Well, you notice I'm sitting in the truck and you hear the truck running, but yet the windshield is all fogged up. It is that time of day. This is maintenance for the battery run. This truck hasn't moved in 2 days, so it has to be run for at least 15 minutes. I have a timer sitting here. And when it goes off, I get to shut the engine off and not waste any more fuel. And while I'm at it, I'm sitting here enjoying a pot of hot tea on my little bitty alcohol gel stove. And it's getting onto that time. There we go. That's the end of my 15-minute run, and done. There we have it, boys and girls. This is just some of the stuff you do when you're living out here in the woods. Now, I have a booster pack I can jump start the truck from if I should accidentally drain the battery down or forget to run. But guess what? I don't like doing that because I don't have the ability to hook it up to an AC outlet and let it condition that thing. So I have to let the engine run for an hour to recharge the booster pack. And that's a lot of extra fuel. So I'd just soon not do that. Though I have been known to hook it up to the engine for my 15 minutes of runtime every couple days when the truck just sits here, and do that every day that I run it for 15 minutes. And, well, that's keeping it charged over time. Just thinking outside the box, boys and girls, thought I'd share it. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to